So how was the montage? Comment down. Hello friends, welcome to kushtech. After a long time I'm back again with another video. I'm sorry because I haven't posted any video from a long time, but now I will try to be regular on my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the best setting ever for the Gameloop emulator PUBG Mobile. For low-end PC, high-end PC and every type of PC. So before starting our video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so when I upload a video you will get notified. Now let's start our video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open your emulator and then open your game. Don't click on the PUBG Mobile. You have to open the settings by going here. After opening the settings, go to Basics. Turn off all the options except this one which says Hide Advanced Watermark. Now go to Engine. Here on the top you can see the rendering options. Select the DirectX Plus. Now here turn all the options on. For low-end PC, which doesn't have any graphic card, they can turn off the third option, which says Prioritize Dedicated GPU. Now, anti-aliasing mode should be closed. Memory should be half of your system's RAM, but I recommend you to put this memory on 4 GB, means 4096 megabytes. Now, processor should be 8. And for low-end PC, you can try to put it on auto. Resolution should be the max given by the emulator, which is 1366 x 768. PI, keep it to 40. Come to the game. Here for low-end PC, you can put it on SD 720p gaming resolution, and others you can put it on HD 1080p or higher than this. Now the most important, display quality. I recommend you to put it on smooth, everyone. But if you prefer the quality more than the FPS, then you can put it on the HD mode. Now save it, close the emulator and restart it again. Now open your game. As you can see, my FPS is between 55 to 60. That's awesome. Go to in-game settings, go to graphics, put this one on smooth, and then the frame rate option will be on extreme. Style, I prefer classic mode. Now here, anti-aliasing should be disabled. Now scroll down, at the last, auto adjust graphics should be disabled. Click OK, apply. Now you are done here. Save it. I will show you the game clips of the game on these settings. Watch till the end. Maybe you like it.
I wanna feel myself.
Thanks for watching friends. Please like, comment, share on this video, and yeah, please hit that red box on my channel. Jai Hind.